Hello everybody, welcome back to another technical analysis video. Today we're looking at Gold ETF. This is the GLD Gold ETF by State Street Spiders, SPDR Gold Shares. So this ETF tracks the price of the gold and it holds real gold in their vaults. But obviously, when we buy the shares here, we cannot exchange it for real gold. We can only trade the shares. All right. As we can see today, gold price has once again recovered and it opened really high. So there's two big gap ups here. One dodgy candle on the 1st of April and then a slight retracement here. Then we have yesterday a big gap up to 306 and today another big gap up. So I don't know what's going on with gold right now. Um, Over here at this value is actually quite a good buy point, but I didn't buy. I only bought it at 305, which is around this point. Okay, but that being said, it's still a very 305 is around here. Okay, but that being said, it's still quite a gap up from 305, which is kind of unexpected. I really expected gold price to chop around the 300 to 305 phase for quite some time before experiencing another leg up. But it seems that gold retracement right now is really short. We are looking at 1 day charts right now, and you can see all the previous retracement. It's only less than a week, okay? The last retracement only took 2 days before we have two huge gaps up and quite a steep price increase. I don't know what's going on here with gold. Then the previous one in April, the retracement, we have a 3 day retracement, one, two, three red candles before it go up again, and you can see that's a huge rally up to from 284 all the way up to 318 before coming down again. And if we look at the older retracement, here is only a 1 day retracement, okay? From 269 to 266, very small retracement before going up, bulling all the way up to 28 something. So in my opinion, something is really brewing right now in the gold territory. I mean, of course, we know that, you know, geopolitical risks, trade tariffs, increase in M2 money supply and all that. But still, I'm pretty surprised at the run up from for gold so far. If we were to zoom out even more, you can see that gold has a pretty insane run up since 2024, which is this point, all the way up. Okay, that's like a 2x in just over a year, a 2x on gold. This is really insane. Okay, if you ask me, because previously we can see gold's general trend is going up, yes, but it tends to chop a bit. But ever since 2024, it has just keep going up. I'm not sure why is that. I mean, we all understand the macro environments that leads to the increase in gold prices, but the way that it's going up is really insane. Okay, it's going up so fast that it really puts majority of the investors really very hard to catch the gold price. So, I still suggest that you guys can do a DCA approach with gold. Keep it on schedule, okay, in order to keep vested because you don't want to have a day whereby gold prices are really out of your reach and you end up chasing the highest of highs without having a portfolio allocation in it in the first place. So diversification is still key. I still believe to have an investment portfolio with diversification in stocks, in gold, precious metals, in property, and also in cryptocurrency. Everything diversified. Okay, if you guys are interested to hear what is my own personal portfolio diversification, please leave a comment down below. But do take note that whatever I share in all my videos are not financial advice. It's only for informational and educational purposes only. You still got to do your own research and due diligence before engaging the markets. All right, so that's all for the price action analysis on gold today. I'm not really sure where you will go. Probably will go down based on the Bollinger Band analysis, but anything can happen. These few days is really unpredictable. Okay, so with that, I'll end this video. Hope you guys find this interesting, and I'll see you guys in the next one.